Hello there. Today in this video I will teach you how you can download and install the game People Playground on your PC or laptop. So for that you just need to open your browser and then search for Steam and click on the first result. And after that you just need to tap this install Steam button and then install Steam. This will download Steam. So all right, just download the Steam. After downloading the Steam you need to install it, and after installing you will find this Steam logo. All right, and then when you open Steam, this is the interface. You just need to create an account and log into your Steam account. So let me log into my account. So as you can see, I have logged into my Steam account and this is the Steam account. From here you just need to tap on store and then you will find this search menu. Type here People Playground. So as you can see, I have found the result People Playground. Tap here and from here you just need to tap add to cart. Tap on add to cart, view on cart. So now you can buy the game from here. Tap continue to payment. Just tap to continue payment and fill out your payment information, and after fill up your payment information you will find your game on your library. So this is the library. Your game will be somewhere in the library after you purchase People's Playground. If you don't find the game, just search here People's Playground and you will find a game. Just tap the game and you will find an install button. Tap the install button and you are good to go.